기역,
기역,
니은,
니은,
디귿,
디귿,
리을,
리을,
미음,
미음,
비읍,
비읍,
시옷,
시옷,
이응,
이응,
지읒,
지읒,
치읒,
치읒,
키읔,
키읔,
티귿,
디귿,
피읍,
피읍,
히읗.
히읗.
Hi!
What's up?
Welcome back to another episode of
한국남매,
Yeah.
where you get to learn how to speak Korean and hear us talk about all kinds of things about the Korean language, culture, and customs.
Yay!
So we're gonna start with the basics today, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
the Korean alphabet,
Yes, Korean
which is
alphabet is Hangeul.
Hangul.
Hangeul made up consonant and vowels. Well,
Vowels. Yeah, that's
English
right.
too, right?
Yeah, same thing. Yeah.
but today we're gonna talking about consonant only.
Okay. All right. So we'll divide lessons into two.
Right.
So today consonants and next time vowels.
Right. Korean is the official language in Korea, and Hangul is a Korean alphabet, as you know. Do you know who made it?
Yeah, I do. It was 세종대왕.
There you go.
That's right.
Yeah.
The
King
great.
Sejong.
That's right. The great King Sejong.
Yeah, Great King Sejong made alphabet, Korean alphabet, which is 훈민정음. That's like a formal word for Korean alphabet.
Oh, is that right?
훈민정음. At the time,
Jung.
yeah, it's like 1443.
1443.
Yeah.
That's when it was
quite-
made.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Do you think
Okay.
Korean alphabet is pretty? Because I've seen some pictures in internet. A lot of foreigners wearing t-shirts with Hangul. Can you see the picture?
Sure, I think it's the same thing. Foreigners or Koreans, for that matter, that wear a T-shirt that has like English writing on it. I think it's kind of like the same thing. I personally think like the Korean language looks pretty. I think it can, depending on the font.
I heard
Yeah.
that the Korean thinks that hyut, you know,
Yeah,
hyut
yeah.
looks really cute because it looks like people with the hat.
Oh,
Can you see that?
yeah.
Hyut.
Korean alphabet compared to the English alphabet is super simple.
What do you think that?
So many exceptions to the rules. Like the A sound, like what does A sound like? Ah, right? But then you add an E and it becomes like a
A.
long vowel sound.
Right.
And then you've got like for that A1A sound, you've got like so many ways of writing it. Like you've got AI, you've got AY,
Right.
and then A dash like E. And then words like live and live, same spelling, different sounds. There are a lot of exceptions to rules, but there's none of that in Korean. It's like straightforward. You
Right.
just learn the sounds and then you can read. You won't understand what you're reading.
Right. 이야기 들어보니까 쉬운 것 같아요.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, maybe.
For sure.
기역,
기역,
니은,
니은,
디귿,
디귿,
리을,
리을,
미음,
미음,
비읍,
비읍,
시옷,
시옷,
이응,
이응,
지읒,
지읒,
치읒,
치읒,
키읔,
기역,
티귿,
티귿,
피읍,
비읍,
히읗.
히읗. The Korean language, something to do with like UNESCO. It was
Oh yeah, that's really cool part actually. UNESCO gives an award to individual or organizations that have contributed to 문맹 퇴치. That's like
문맹 돼지.
Yeah, no, not 돼지. That's a pig.
So is that a prize that like kind of it's given to people that make an effort to make everybody literate,
Right.
make everybody learn how to read?
Right.
Okay.
And the name is UNESCO King Sejong Literacy Prize.
Well, that's cool. That is awesome.
Is it? And there is some more sen 사운드가 있어요.
Ah, like a harder,
Strong
yeah,
Yeah,
strong sound,
strong
harder sounding.
쌍기역.
Sang, what is that? What does sang mean?
쌍 means two.
Ah.
So like two 기역.
consonants that we learned before. If you just say like sang whatever, you just put two
Right.
stuck together and it makes more stronger sound.
There
Oh,
is
simple.
5 쌍기역,
Ah,
쌍디귿, 쌍비읍,
piut,
쌍시옷,
shiot.
쌍지읒.
Can you make us hear what it sounds like? Hyuk is k, and then sang.
기역 is 끄.
So So 그 and 그.
그, 그,
그.
그. And
Okay.
디귿 is 드, 뜨,
뜨.
드, 뜨.
Okay.
And 비읍 is 브,
브.
뿌.
Buh. So every time you say it, it's like someone's like smacking you in the back as you're about to say it. Puh. Puh. Okay. So it sounds like
Okay.
stronger like that. Okay.
그러니까 스, 스.
Ah, okay. So no one's smacking you there. Okay. S.
스,
S.
스.
Yeah. S.
And 즈, 쯔.
T. Okay.
어렵죠? 그 쌍기역 쌍지 발음이 어렵죠? 괜찮아요?
Good sound.
Okay, okay then.
Yeah. All right. So for today, I think
Right.
we'll stop here, and then next class of next.
Vowel.
Yeah, vowels. We'll cover the vowels. From us.
To you, 한국.
남매.
Bye bye.
안녕하세요.